Here at 4 o'clock, the Chicago area native who earned a legion of fans on the hit Netflix show Cheer is now trying to convince a federal judge that he should be allowed to go home as he awaits trial on child porn charges.
WGN's Mike Lowe was in federal court today, and he's live at the Dirksen Federal Building with more. Mike?
Ben and Lourdes, good afternoon to both of you. Today in court, we heard graphic descriptions of some of these allegations. We also heard an emotional statement from the mother of two of the alleged victims. What we did not hear was a decision on Harris's detention. Wearing an orange jumpsuit instead of his familiar cheerleading uniform, Jerry Harris, the star of the Emmy-winning Netflix series Cheer, appeared before federal judge Heather McShane. McShane heard arguments from Harris's defense attorney and from federal prosecutors about whether Harris should be allowed to be released from custody until his trial. The judge said she would rule on the matter quickly, but not today. The 21-year-old Naperville resident was arrested last month on child pornography charges. In court today, prosecutors alleged that Harris repeatedly coaxed minors into sending him sexually graphic photos, and in one instance, had sex with a 15-year-old boy in a bathroom during a cheerleading event. Harris's attorneys have asked that the court allow him to be released on home detention, a plan that would require 4 adults who were described as, quote, cheer moms to act as third-party custodians, swearing an oath to uphold restrictions like no internet or access to computers or cell phones. But federal prosecutor Christopher Parenti argued that Harris needed to be held in federal custody because he posed a danger to society. On the phone, a woman from Texas, identified as the mother of 2 of Harris's alleged victims, made a statement to the judge saying her children had, quote, suffered more than I could have ever imagined, and she asked the judge to keep Harris behind bars through his trial, saying, quote, I'm pleading with you, please protect my children. They need solid ground on which to rebuild their lives. Harris remains in federal custody until the judge makes her decision. If Harris were to be convicted in this case, he faces a mandatory minimum sentence of 15 years. Reporting live downtown, Mike Lowe, WGN News.